Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Bratz purple makeup look. So I will be using my Bratz eyeshadow palette, my lip mask, a couple of purple items from my collection. I love doing these like monochromatic makeup looks. So you want to see how I got this look, the transition and the vibes and the journey to get here, the products that I loved, the products that I hated, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so first off I'm going to take this Revolution and the Bratz lip mask that I found at my Marshalls. This actually came in a cute little set. I'm going to put a picture on the screen. I posted it on my Instagram and this is so adorable. So it's part of their like sleepover collection. Came with the lip mask. I also have a lip scrub back here and a lip oil, which is that right there, but it kind of like spills, so I don't like to use it. But I've never tried this lip mask and it is so cute. Definitely goes with today's theme. Again, this is their lip mask and it's so adorable. It does go with my Bratz shirt that I found at Forever 21. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I already did kind of swirl my finger in there last night just to see that it's still good, girl. So yeah, it's really nice and creamy. Go ahead and take just a little bit on my nail and spread it out. So we have two brow products. We have the Awa Studio Slim Brow in the shade Ebony. We also have their Micro Brow Pen in the shade Dark Brown, which I did repurchase. I love this product, it's so good. So I'm going to take this product first. I'm just going to kind of shape out the brows. You guys know the drill. I'm also wearing my necklace that I purchased from Hot Topic. I don't know if you guys could see it, but this is from, what is that show called? This popular. I just liked it because it was purple. It's so cute and it's also on sale. So if you look at the clearance aisle at Hot Topic, they have a bunch of these and it's so cute. I think the show's called Monster High or something. Right, next, going in with the brow pen, I'm just going to go ahead and take that through any sparse areas of the brow. And I say this in every single video, but mainly focusing on the outer portion. Next, taking in my Beauty Glazed Concealer. This is actually from Temu. And I kind of threw in a couple of Temu products in here as well, just that I haven't used in a long time. So this is actually one that I kind of forgot about. This is a concealer from the site and it was really nice from what I remember. But I don't know why I kind of like threw it in my drawer and forgot about it. But this one here is in Natural 404. I remember this is actually a really good shade for me. So we're going to use it to clean up the brows. And just taking some on the lid. I love the doe foot applicator because it is curved. It feels really nice on the skin. And also just taking my sponge, I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm still trying to decide whether I want to do face products first or eyes. Not sure. Why not? Let's do eyes. First off, we have the Revolution and the Bratz palette. This is the Jasmine one. I did find this at, I think it was Marshalls or TJ Maxx. Don't remember the price, but this little palette comes with eyeshadows and some highlights, and I also do own the Jade one as well. Really cute. Also have their Big Daddy palette. It literally comes with the picture of all of the Bratz, the 4 of them, and this is like a really nice quality tin palette. It's huge, and I think we also purchased this at Marshalls or TJ Maxx. There's a look at the colors in here. You get eyeshadows and highlights in here as well. So the reason I brought 2 of them is because I kind of want to take this shade here as a transition and then kind of like deepen up the eyes with the other palette, but I'm not really sure just yet. And I'm going to go ahead and start with this shade here. This is just going to act as a transition kind of moment. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this palette here. I'm going to take the shade I Rule, which is this dark purple. You guys know the drill. I'm just going to take that on the outer corner. Just going to start smoking out this look. These are so powdery though, girl. Good thing I started with eyes. So these, from what I see, they tend to kind of blend away, so I am just tapping. Yeah. It's like leaving a little bit of a bald spot right here. It's like a patchy kind of color. Never noticed that. I'm just going to take the dark one with my finger and throw it on the lid. Back with that dark purple matte shade just to kind of deepen out this outer corner. So I'm going to go ahead and create a wing using my Artista liquid liner in purple. I did go ahead and buy backups of this because I did find it later on in the site for Shamasay. They have these still available. So I did mention that they had like sold out or they had a new version, but they still have the old Artista liners on the website. So I went ahead and bought like 4 of these because they're amazing. And then also the City Color Be Bold color liner in lilac over top, and then just create a wing with this. As you can see, it just gives you a little bit of a moment, adding that little bit of accent to the liner. I love it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. You guys know this is a favorite on the upper lashes before I go in with falsies. For false lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and take these from Beauty Creations, and these are the 3D mink lashes in the style Slay. I think these are the same ones that I got in a subscription box a while back, but I could have repurchased them because I really loved these lashes, and the style really did fit my eyes. So we're gonna see if I'm still loving these. If not, I'll just switch them out or something, but they look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on, and then we'll be back to finish up complexion products. All right, next we have face primers. We have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide, and then we also have the Malibu Glitz Smoothing Primer in purple. This one also is a number 2. This is from Shop Masay, and you guys know this is the e.l.f. one. I love this e.l.f. gripping primer. It just feels so cooling on the skin. I love. So I'm going to take my primer brush to spread it out. Next, taking some of the purple one on the inner portions of the face. Just blending it out. Again, just a T-zone area. Next, for foundation, I thought I'd try this one out again. I haven't used it in a while. The Pop Feel Pretty Fresh foundation from Temu. This one here is in the shade P2023, and I really loved the color for me, so I am going to go ahead and use this again today. Just taking about 1.5 pumps. Remember, this color really did match me well, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. Right, so there's a look at that foundation. It just looks so good. So I do have 3 of the Halo Glow wands from e.l.f. We have their contour one, we have their highlight, you guys know, and their blush. So we do have these. I'm debating whether I want to use cream products today, but now that I'm here, I might as well. We're gonna take the contour color and just kind of sculpt out the outer parts of the face. And take my brush and just kind of tap that in. A little bit of a twitching eye, girl. It is 9 a.m. and I went to sleep at 3. Well, technically 2. So my eye's twitching. But I'm just taking that pink blush in the shade Berry Radiant. And I'm just gonna blend that out. These are so pretty on the skin, girl. They're very like buildable as well, not too much pigment to them, as you can see. Cute. Next, taking the highlight. This one here is in the shade Rose Quartz. This is such a beautiful color, and just blending that in. The most beautiful, almost like glow from within look. It's stunning. For concealer, I'm gonna go back to the Beauty Glazed concealer in the shade 404 Natural. And this is about all I'm going to use on the under eyes today. So I'm just going to take some of that here on the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, and the chin. Just blend all that in. This is such a full coverage concealer, girl. It's so good. Now I'm looking like super bright, girl. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence Primer and Finish Powder. And this one only comes in 1 shade, which is just like this translucent kind of moment. It is so good. I love this. Okay, I'm going to take my little poof and start setting the under eyes. And this is so good. It literally looks a little scary because it is like pigmented. But like once it's on the skin, it blends beautifully. So I'm going to use this for the under eyes and for all over the face as well. So I do have all my face products all in one, and this is a palette or a face palette from Temu Girl. So this is a little bit of a sneak peek because this is actually something that arrived yesterday. I haven't filmed the haul for my Temu vibes. I haven't ranked them. I haven't tried it on the face. So this is the first impressions moment with this product. So I saw this, girl, and I was like, oh my god, they literally duped Nikita's face palette. So this is from Face, and it's a pressed powder palette. So it didn't come like bubble wrapped or anything. Literally, girl, they just like threw it in the bag. Thankfully, it didn't break. But it does come with a mirror on the inside and these face shades in here. So we're gonna go ahead and use all of them today. So I'm gonna take the two, I'm just gonna kind of mix them a little bit. Mostly this shade here. And we're gonna start bronzing up this face. We're gonna see how this works. All right, next for blush, I'm gonna take this shade here. It's a little deep. It's like a darker kind of blush, so I'm gonna see what this can do. And I yet to film my haul. I was gonna originally do like the full face today, but I am still waiting on a palette from the same order. Just for some reason shipped in a different way for some reason. I don't know. But everything else came in this order. So happy. So I am taking that blush a little high too. I'm also just gonna take the shade Fantasy and throw that on the face. And it's like a pinky purple kind of vibe. Mix the two shimmer shades in here and use them as a inner corner. Going back with the slim brow, I'm just gonna use it to sculpt out the brows a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set the brows down using the Easy Brow Gel from Away Studio in clear. I did do a whole ranking my newest Shamise purchases on my channel. If that is up already, I'll have it on the screen and down below. But if not, it is coming soon. And this was included in that ranking, girl. So I'm just gonna use this to set the brows. Now that we're here, why not do lips? So I'm gonna go in with my Ebony York Gel Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate Brown. Taking just a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one here is in the shade Candyman. Yeah, 842. This is such a good product. I'm gonna tap it in the center and then just tap it out with my finger. When I do that, it literally creates the most beautiful ombre vibe. Love it. You guys know I have to top it with gloss. This is the AWA Studio Candy Pop Lip Gloss in the shade Bubble. So beautiful. I like to tap it instead of swipe so it doesn't remove any like product on the bottom. L'Oreal liner. This is just my purple one. You guys know I love this. And just gonna take that on the lower lash line. You tap it into that dark shade that we used on the upper and just using that on the lower lash line as well. And lastly, I'm just going to take this setting spray from the Jerry MUA Beauty Creations collaboration. This one smells amazing. I'm just going to set my face with this product and then we're going to end it. I haven't filmed this collaboration video yet, but it is coming soon. Oh, it smells so good. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. This is basically my Bratz makeup look. Finally got to use some of my Bratz eyeshadow palettes from Revolution, as well as my lip balm or like lip mask. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you own anything from Revolution and the Bratz collection? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of this look and the process that it took to get here. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.